All right, we got our 2025 4Runner behind us. We're gonna be throwing on our accessory panel on our Pro rack. This is a quick, easy install, so let's get started. All right, as a first step, we're gonna put our accessory panel mounting bracket on, and these use the factory Pro rack mounting hardware, so we don't need any more with those. So we'll take those out, put that bracket on, and then we'll mount our suction cups on the back of our accessory panel, and then we can work on bolting that to the vehicle. All right, we have our mounting bracket on, and this is our accessory panel itself. We have two suction cups mounted on here. This is a prototype, so these might move around a little bit, but it should be around the same location, and the PDF should have a finalized version that tells you exactly where these go. So we're gonna line this up and set it on our vehicle, and that way we can figure out where we need to put our protective vinyl tape for this front suction cup. All right, we have the accessory panel up here. I ran these bolts all the way in, and that'll have it sit exactly where it's supposed to. And then we have our clear vinyl on here. We recommend giving it 24 hours and heating it up so it adheres better. We're just gonna suction it down right now, but we recommend you wait a little bit longer on this front suction cup. A good tip is we like to leave these a little bit loose, put pressure on it, and then suction it down. And that will help you get better adhesion to the window and the vehicle. And then after we've done that, then we can tighten these screws back up. All right, there it is. The accessory panel installed on our Prinsu Pro rack on our 2025 4Runner. This one's really unique, and it's very long and covers this whole side, so it allows a lot of mounting options, which is really cool. If you have any questions about it, make sure to leave them down in the comments below, and we'll see you out on the trails.